take me now. I just want to die now. I really do.
How would you like to die?
Well, when I was little, I always said I wanted to die on stage.
There you go. So let's do that.
But when I'm like in my 90s and I'm getting like maybe a Lifetime Achievement Award or I don't know, Sammy Davis Jr. Award, and it's I'm announced by Oprah and Bill Cosby is giving me my award, and Patti LaBelle and Luther Vandross and Barbra Streisand and Billy Joel, they all sing my songs and pay tribute to me. And I have this long speech written out, but by the time I get on stage, I don't even have to open it.
Right.
You know, it comes natural. And it's like 2.6 billion people tuning in to that particular event. My whole life just flashes in front of me. My daughters and my grandchildren are in the audience. And as I'm saying my speech, I manage to make it to the end and then I just pass out.
Sounds great.
And then when they rush to the stage to get me, they can't pull the award away from my hand. And then they announce that I'm dead. But what a moment that would be.
It sounds fantastic. Now, Sarah, listen to me. Our time, unfortunately, for me, is up. I wish this could go on. But at the very least, you have given yourself a few happy moments here. Yourself. Given yourself. I haven't given it to you. I asked you a question, you answered it. That's how powerful you are. You've got the paintbrush. You're painting the canvas. This is a choice. See how you're getting sad now? This is a choice.
I don't want to stop talking to you.
I don't want to stop talking to you either. We should make another appointment.
We gotta do this because I think I'm gonna kill myself.
I'm here, and please don't kill yourself. You can't come back to tell me how you want to die. We got to keep going with that story. That's a story I'd love you to write. Get that into the New York Times and let 2.5 billion people read it. Not so bad. Maybe get a Pulitzer Prize.
So, in the meantime, like, how do I deal with my anger towards my family?
Write it out. Write it. You're a wonderful writer, and you don't even have to physically write it, speak it into a tape recorder, but get it out. Do not keep it here. Out. Can you do that for me? Okay, you do that. I promise I'll listen to the tapes.
Can I come back next week?
I'm here. Great. Same time, same place.